Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be talking about my experience when visiting the city of Miami. As we had started in Dallas and drove down to Houston, we hit the gas and were on our way off to Miami. When we arrived, we could instantly see the impact of Hispanic culture in the city, specifically Cuban culture. Whether it is the architecture, the food, or the clothing, their way of life spices up the city of Miami, makes it unique from other cities like Houston or Boston. Inspired by the Cuban culture, we wanted to see the Freedom Tower, better known as the Ellis Island of the South. It is historic for its role in the Cuban refugee crisis. This all happened in 1959 when Fidel Castro overthrew the Cuban government and Fulgencio Batista and made the place a communist regime. Due to this, wealthy and middle-class Cubans fled to Miami for a better life. This landmark building was used as a government facility to process the documents of the incoming Cuban immigrants from 1962 to 1974. The building is now used as a museum for contemporary art. This landmark and its significance plays a huge role in the cultural makeup of Miami, and without it, people of Cuba would have never been a part of what we call Miami today. In fact, about 68% of Miami is of Hispanic culture. A small amount of that consists of white, and about 20% of that are black or of African American descent. To put that into perspective, that means that about 330,000 of the 486,388 people that live in Miami are of Hispanic descent. Many people had the same idea as us of visiting Miami because we could see the amount of people or tourists rapidly increasing as the day went along. With a yearly average of 14 million tourists, Miami's economy has fascinatingly been based on tourism, which now contributes to around 15 billion of the local economy. This is quite fascinating when put next to a city like Houston, whose main economic industry is oil, or Boston, whose main economic industry is fishing. As we were wrapping up our visit to Miami, this got me thinking. You would think that since Miami has a sea right next to it, their main economic industry would be fishing as well. However, tourism dominates all other industries in the city of Miami and is quite efficient as of now. It is crazy to think that these cities are similar in their distance to ocean water, but they are different in the industries that they thrive in. This can show something unique about the United States' economic diversity as a whole, which is that the U.S. started as the trend of letting people pursue what they want to pursue, giving them the freedom they deserve. I think that is why many people love this country. Thanks for watching.